अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने एक बार फिर आबनाए हुर्मुज़ में टोल टैक्स हरगिज़ नाकाबिल कबूल करार दे दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि अगर एक जगह इस किस्म की फ़ीस कबूल कर ली गई तो दुनिया के दीगर इलाकों में भी इसी नौइयत के मुतालबात सामने आ सकते हैं। सदर ट्रंप ने नेटो सरबराह से मुलाकात में नेटो ममालिक का ताउन ना मिलने पर शिकवा किया और इटली, बरतानिया, जर्मनी, फ्रांस और स्पेन से शदीद मायूसी का इजहार किया।
It would be unacceptable to me because we have numerous straits, and if you did that for them, you'd have to do it for other people. You have other straits. I wouldn't allow it there either. Yeah, it would be a game changer. We didn't need help on this at all. We demolished them in literally the first week. But it would have been nice if they would have said, "We'd like to help." I was disappointed. I was disappointed with Italy. I was disappointed with the UK. He's now gone. And, he had a lot of problems, but we were disappointed with the UK, we were disappointed with Germany and France, we were disappointed with most of them. Spain is a horror show. Spain is terrible even from your standpoint. I mean, they don't want to pay anything.